Like just you go can be ball, you she can be ball,
Yeah.
watch her as well. Yeah. Hello, in a name. Just you can set come and watch her. Hello?
Give me one
Hello,
second.
bro.
I'm sorry about that.
Okay. So, Kini, come on. Okay. But on this room, come on now. So, this thing, more, can say, I've got this thing. When you email, we say, like, you give it your, like, you'll be making, once you learn the thing, you understand? Once you learn and focusing on this thing, it's just a work from home. You know that? You won't be, you just a work from home, just give it.
So a month now, I'm sure 10,000.
Depends on how good. What 10,000 is just for something like personality and good, something about like for but if you made the perfect day good.
How much do you think I can start with?
It depends. Someone can start with 500 and making it. You know,
My mother is saying, I understand what you're saying.
okay, I mean, so
Give me 1 second, chat. Sorry about that.
account number?
I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up really quick.
GBPJPY.
no problem. I'm waiting. Yeah.
GBPJPY.
Okay.
20, 50. No, 50. 63. 35. 66.
So what is it?
6.
6. Okay.
I'll be one for pass.
Oh, next time.
So you collect my control and then you do it.
Okay.
So what you go tell driver now? Who will come up?
I don't.
Yeah,
Do
driver.
you guys like this
up the
layout better than
You show my name, I do man.
my old one was this one. You can see my screen
Oh.
way more on this one.
I think keep my bag here. Should I just?
Keep on.
Oops.
So be place it carry on. Make it not be as say you understand.
So I'm still waiting. I'm when you're done, you just let me know. You get me?
One second, chat.
Just take your time. I'm okay.
Hey, how are you? How are you? Okay. So, let's get everything situated right now. Okay, so if we look into our daily time frame, right, we're very, 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 very bullish. So with that being said, there is a chance that we can go bearish to correct this move. If we do go bearish, we will go bearish around this area or to this area, to the low, to fill the low of the previous daily candle. But I really doubt that's going to happen. So your next target would be right over here to fill the wick on the daily.
You should.
Oh wait, hold on.
FS.
Right here. So
FS.
what you're expecting is you're expecting volume to push past and to hit the top of the range and push past all of these during New York session.
Hello.
Yeah, man. What's up?
FS, are you hearing me?
What?
Are you hearing me, FS?
Hey, man, mute your mic, bro. Only unmute it when you have questions. So, on our 1 hour, right, we have a 1 hour support, a 1 hour
I'm not
resistance.
seeing anything.
Hey, bro, mute your mic.
What do you say?
I said mute your mic.
Okay.
Only unmute it when you have questions, all right?
But you know, I said I'm not seeing anything. Hope you know.
Oh.
That was what I'm saying.
There you go. Okay, so you have a 1 hour range, very, very choppy. So what we're doing is we're not going to trade that range. We're going to be putting that as our no trade range, correct? So then you have these two levels. You have a top and a bottom, okay? So with that being said, price can fill this area, which is about 22 pips, to continue down probably around 450. Yeah, we'll do 450. Okay, and then you have this level right over here, which is about 30 pips. So you also have a watch out area. Your watch out area is an area that you expect price to either reject or struggle at. So that's where we're going to put our area. Okay. You have nice clean ranges right over here. Very, very clean. From this point to this point. Super clean. Clean range. Okay. The only time you're going to have an issue is right over here, but it falls within this range, so you're fine. Other than that, that's what we are waiting on. So if I go into my 30-minute, you can see it a little bit more clear. Next target would be around here. Let me see my daily really quick. Yeah, that would make more sense. Fill that wick. So around 350. Okay. Yeah, that would make a little bit more sense. About 23 pips. So a nice little range for us. Yeah. So what we're waiting for is either a break below or a break above. Other than that, we will not be trading this range. Very, very choppy. So you don't want to get stuck over here. You'd rather wait for all this move. Alright. Good luck on your trade. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Yeah. If you look at the 4 hour, create resistance on the 4 hour. So from the start of the move to the top of the move, you're gonna mark your 61.8. The only reason why I'm marking my 61.8 is not for an entry, it's for a price target, right? So if you're expecting the move to continue up, you expect price to go back to that area and close within that area to continue up. Okay, and that's right around where the 13 EMA is at, so we're gonna keep that there. That's about not enough range. I got you, bro. I got you. Hey guys, I know I don't have a lot of viewers right now, but that Dr. Dollar guy in the chat, if you want to go ahead and go subscribe to him, go follow his Instagram. He posts like some good ass trades, you know, up and coming for real. So yeah, that's what we're looking at, GJ. So then if I go on to GA right now, let's go ahead and clear this. So GA right now is stuck in a range. Let's go into our daily really quick. So we're gonna mark our fib. We're gonna mark our fib right there. Mark the 61.8 as a price target, not an entry, like I said. Yeah, bro, we're up next, I swear, really up next. All right, so like I said, price target, 4 hour. Going to your 4 hour, you have your zone. What you're expecting is you're expecting price to fill this wick and with volume keep continuing down into the 61.8. So if you go into your 1 hour, you have your no trade range right over here. So the range starts from the bottom of the range to the top of the resistance, which is right over here. And what that would be is your no trade range, right? So, oops, go put that right there. And then your watch out area is the fill of this wick, because at any point in time you can fill that wick and reject. It is a rejection area. So from right here is a rejection area. See how it goes within this area, shoots back, within this area, shoots back. So that's what you need to be mindful of. Other than that, there are clean buys up above for about 50 pips. Watch out area right over here. I might actually make that my range. Clean charts, thanks bro. Yeah, this is gonna be my range. So above this area I will be looking for buys. So buys above 1.84753. So yeah, buys above that area. And then potential sells below this area, waiting for a close. What's up, Joseph?
Yo.
Yo. Oops, oh no, I saw stop. Thanks, Dr. Dollar. Thank you. I appreciate you. So this is what we're looking at for GA, for GJ. Very catastrophic on GJ right now. Actually, hold on. Let's go from here to here. 61. Be right around here. That's a better price target. Way better price target. And then second price target be over here. 1 hour zone here. That is your range. You're not going to be trading that. No trade. What you're expecting is you're expecting price to fill these areas with volume. So first DP is about 20 pips. That's probably going to be the actual trade itself. So what you're expecting with this trade is you're expecting it to push past all this choppiness right over here with volume. And then I'm actually going to set a watch out area right over here just in case price wants to struggle. So buys above 55,100. Right, so 155,100 is where we're going to be looking at. Okay, sells below 154,700. Okay, and buys above. Okay, so looking at gold, let's go ahead and go into our 4 hour. All right. you have your 4-hour range. Okay, top to bottom, 4-hour range, clean traffic to the left, watch out area right over here. Go into your 30-minute, right? You have your range. Broke above the range. Actually gonna look at my 1 hour. Yeah, a lot of clean traffic over here. What I'm gonna do is go ahead, do that. Buys above, sells below. Watch out area right here. Five-minute quick for some quick confirmation. Got your 5-minute consolidation. I'm gonna actually look for an entry on the 5-minute today. Not really gonna be looking for a 30-minute confirmation today. Yeah, 5-minute should be good. Watch out area right here. Better sells towards the bottom. So what we're waiting on right now is just a close above. Unless, hold on. It's about 33 pips. Because there could be impulses right now for about 41 pips. So what I'm actually going to be doing, let's go ahead and delete that. You have your range right here. Broke above your range. Okay. Got resistance right over here. So what we're looking for right now is an entry on the 5-minute. Let me go ahead and get set up on gold. My MetaTrader really quick. There you go. Might be in for a gold buy already. Might not. Okay, first target 1787. $600. Gonna risk 1%. Okay, once we pass this high, most likely we'll be going in for a buy right now. I mean, makes sense. Except there's no volume at the moment. Just waiting. Just waiting. Yeah, so we have a 15-minute range. Broke out of it, retested it. Coming up, fill this clean range. So right now what we're waiting on is a break of the high to continue up. If not, trade is invalid. Gonna watch that on my other PC so I could look at this. looks like gold's not gonna break above it just yet. About 7 more minutes left of this candle, probably for 4 o'clock. Yeah, it makes sense. Closed bearish. That candle. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're waiting on right now. What are you looking at, Joseph? You know, I'm gonna start locking on ranges for US 30 to see where price would go. So there is a possibility that we can fall back within this range, fill this range, and then fill the 1766 range. A lot of selling pressure right here. So from the impulse all the way down, 60 would be over here. So I'm actually not going to take any buys until we pass it. So that would make more sense. Because at any moment we can reject, fall back within the range, and then continue to head down. Yeah, it makes sense. Broke. This right here is about 75 pips, 79 pips. Be a good trade if we crack the whole move. What's up, what's up, what's up? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everyone's here, everyone's here. Alright, let's get some trades, let's get some pips. Yo, Joseph. Is that him? I don't know if that's him. It's what we're looking at right now. Yeah, this liquidity area. So in areas like this, what price loves to do is price loves to wick all the way down within this range to the bottom of it, and then wick right back up. So that's what we're gonna expect if we do drop below 154.700. We failed to create a new high. We've been ranging, create a resistance. This is most likely a resistance along the weekly time frame right over here. Yo, Joseph.
What's Gucci, homie?
If my kid starts to cry, you might have to take over on the live.
All right. I'm gonna be getting out of here around like 5-ish. I got something I gotta take care of today.
For sure.
But I got you.
Gold is coming down. Yeah, so if gold does come down, we're looking to fill this wick, then fill this clean range. Cleaner ranges over here. So what I'm going to do is actually might target this range. I mean, this is also a good range, but you're most likely to get stopped out. So what I like to view the market as is, so over here, this is a 20% probability of you succeeding in the trade. This is probably like like a 50% probability. This is around 80 to 90% probability. You know what I mean? You're already so low in the market that price can only just go lower. So that's how I like to look at the market. So you have like a 20, 50, 80% probability on each. So that's what we're going to be waiting on right now. You have your no trade range right over here. Sells below 1774. Not going to be taking buys until we pass this low rejection choppy area type of thing. So oops, not buy stop, buys above. So at 1787 100, because if we pass the 61.8, that means that the downtrend is invalid. So if the downtrend is invalid, that means that we're going all the way up to fill the top of the range and probably higher. So that's what you look for. Okay, so looking at GA, back to GA, because GJ is just very, very choppy right now. You don't want to trade GJ. So this is what we have. So we have our no trade range. Buys above 1.84753 with this clean range about 30 pips. This range is about 30 pips to fill the wick, and then all the way down about 63 pips. So actually, since that might be a 1 hour, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Matter of fact, no, that's what we're gonna do. Right, and then we're gonna make a watch out area right around here. So we're getting news today around 4 o'clock, I think.
4 o'clock. East Coast or
7 o'clock. Oh, it is 7 o'clock.
I was gonna say, damn, that's some late ass news.
So let's see what price wants to do right here. Okay, in a GA trade right now. No. Fucking accidentally went in for a buy. Gonna redo that.
Oh damn, it just came down.
Yeah. Actually, since we missed the trade, I'm not gonna. Probably gonna wait for it to flip to continue into this range.
Shit. GJ just fucking dropped.
GJ dropped also.
Yeah, GJ just dropped.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. I literally had my fucking. See, that's why you need to set up your magic keys right before. It's crazy.
Shoot! What the fuck? What's happening?
News just came out. Hard ass fucking red folders. But we're approaching the whatchamacallit. Probably can't get in at the bounce. You know, we can head all the way down to the 61.8. Well, I guess we missed the trade. That's all right.
Not chasing that one.
Yeah, I'm not chasing it. I should have had buy sell stops, but it's unfortunate. It happened a little bit too fast.
I was watching GJ for the sells off. There's a 30-minute close underneath the 13, and then 1 hour just closed underneath the 13. So I was looking for sells, but it went too quick. I was waiting for the 1 hour to close bearish to take the short down. But It is what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is. It's fine. Just waiting. Probably gonna bounce over here.
That's my thought too.
Probably. Since we missed the GA trade, I might as well just look at gold right now. Even though it's very choppy. That's unfortunate, you know? It's really unfortunate. I literally had all of my price targets set out. It's crazy. 40 pip drop. Dude, Magic Keys fucking sucks.
Why?
Cause I opened up my trade and I opened it for a buy.
Oh, you didn't flip it?
Yeah, I didn't flip it. Well, enough to mute my mic. Alright.
Damn, GJ.
Yeah. It's unfortunate. But, you know, if we pass lower, we're probably gonna go in for this trade for about 20 pips. Yeah, we missed it. It's embarrassing.
She keeps falling.
That's just great, huh?
Well, damn.
Yeah. All the price targets were correct. I mean, there's really nothing we could have done.
Yeah, it's all good.
It's crazy. Not looking at any of those pairs now. I'm gonna look at gold.
Gold looks like it's gonna pop up as soon as
Yeah, if it passes the 61.8, I'm going in for the buy. 1794 is the target.
Oh wow, gold spread is fucking insane right now.
Okay,
Alright, bro. Gold is running.
gonna wait. Not going in yet. Official buys above 1787 108. Just rejected the 50 zone on GJ. If you go onto your daily, yeah. GA also, that's just fucking crazy. Good move. Good move. It's gnarly, huh? Good ass move. I mean, you have just waiting for gold right now. About 5 more minutes left of this candle. This is your 15-minute range from here to here. This becomes invalid price action and it becomes a price target. So you have about 5 more minutes left to see if we reject or not. This time I'm gonna fucking get set up so that I don't miss this trade. About 5 more minutes left. Next 5-minute candle just started. Official buys above 1787 108. Because the reason why you wouldn't take a buy right now is because right now we're heading into a huge rejection zone, very very big rejection zone to continue going down. So what you want to wait for is to pass this area, because if we pass this area, then that's invalid. That's an invalid trend, and we go in the opposite direction of an invalid trend. It's crazy. Would have been a dope ass trade.
True.
GA2, look at that, right to the money. Like, look at my precision, bruh. Look at, oh my god, the precision is just insane. Yeah, we missed those moves for any currency pairs right now. So right now, today's focus is just gold for me. I'm not sure about you, Joseph, but I'm only focusing on gold now that happened. So in about 1 more minute, we'll tell what's going on. It's about a 37 pip range. Gonna look for entries on the 5. I'm actually gonna trade this range. I just 1787. Okay, as long as we don't fall back within the range, gonna be going in for a buy.
Yeah, trend's looking pretty bullish for a buy.
Yeah, about 30 seconds left. Rejected it a bit. I'm actually gonna head in at 10 seconds. In for buys. Running out of time on Zoom, so it's gonna cut off soon.
Alright, are you gonna make another link?
Yeah.
Alright.
Watch out area. Got it in at this price target 1783.56. Playing with the house's money.
Already?
Nah.
Oh, I was about to say, damn, that was quick. I jumped in on the gold buys as well. I did it on the 30-minute.
Oh yeah. That's where I anticipated the buys on the 30-minute, but I'm just managing risk on the 5. Looked for a retest above the little range that I did above its previous range. So once we pass this, it should impulse all the way up to 1787 or 1785.
Yeah, we're basically
about 22 pips for this one, about 36 pips for this one.
Are you aiming for the highs of yesterday? Take profit?
No. So right now we're around that 61.8 zone. The only way that I'll be aiming for the highs of that zone is if we pass 1787. So we need 61? To pass it.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. That's where I have my partial take profit right now.
Yeah. Where's that phone holder at? Oh shit. Haha. Show us the 30. Clean ranges. About a minute left of this candle. If we close back within the range, we close out the trade. Other than that, we hold until this minute is done. Just babbling right now, bro.
Let's see.
All right, passing the body's high. All it needs to do is break the wick. Okay, create a bottom wick to continue past. First time viewer, what's my strategy? So my strategy is break and retest on zone. Okay, past the wick, up about 10 pips.
Ooh, nice. It's running.
Gonna close half at that watch out area. Another watch out area right over here, just in case. Say it again. Break and retest, zone to zone. About 11 pips right now. 12 pips. Come on, GJ, don't give us a hard time. I mean, not GJ, come on, Gold, don't give us a hard time today. Alright, it's about to pass the first watch out area, which is a good sign that we continue up.
Almost at 100 pips right now.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir. How dope would it be if gold just like does like GJ and just spikes up?
Oh dude, that'd be awesome.
That'd be sweet.
I'd be pretty thankful for that. Probably gonna go ahead and close half just in case. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop loss at my entry. Because
is money.
Yeah. Up about 13 pips, 14 pips.
All right, I'm at 90 pips right now.
90 pips? Where'd you get in at?
I told you, the break of the doji candle. On the 30 minute?
Right, break of this candle?
No, so go on the 30 minute. You see this wick right here? As soon as we broke that top wick, I just set my stops right underneath this and just took it up.
Yeah, it keeps babbling against my watch out area. The reason why is because all this selling pressure, so I went ahead and just put my stops at break even.
I feel you.
Yeah. Risk-free trade. Yeah, huge rejection on the 5. The 30 minutes still hasn't closed, so we still have a lot of time for this to keep continuing up if it wants to. But from right here to right here is the 50 to 60, so yeah, about right here. I'm gonna have sell stops right over here. Oh, actually no, I'm gonna have a sell stop over here. For when it does drop a lot of clean ranges right over here. So I'm still up about 10 pips on this trade. If it passes, then we're in for 110 pips today. So my run is just gonna keep running until I let it stop me out. But until that moment happens, then I'm just gonna be over here. I'll probably add positions once we pass this area too, if we pass this area. Tell us why you took this gold trade again. So you have a range, right, on the 15 minute. You don't trade that. You have a break of the range. You have a retest of the range. You have a close above the highs. So if you look on your 5 minute, that's basically like a low range itself. You have a close above it. You have a retest above it. And I got in at the retest to continue up. But at any point in this trade, we could get stopped out because the 61.8. So then I would look for sells below 1774, all the way down to 1768 for all this clean candles. Matter of fact, I'll have sells below the wick at 1772 or below this wick, and then sell stops at 1768 if we continue going lower. Nah, I'm not looking at GJ today. No, not doing it. The reason why is just because after a move like that, you know, you really don't want to risk anything with that. Like looking at it, you know what I mean? We already, like, the win itself was the analysis. Like, the analysis was on point, like on both pairs, GA and GJ. You know, I was expecting news to happen today, but I wasn't expecting it so soon. Literally hopped on, it was already going, so it was like, come on. But yeah, so I caught about 10 pips. I still haven't closed, my runner's still running, so I closed 50%. So if this candle doesn't close above this area, we've created resistance, and then furthermore to head back down to pass this area and then fill the range all the way back down, so which is about 23 pips. I'm not going to go for that, not trading that. From here to here, is about 25. Like I said, sell stops are at 1768 to fill even cleaner range right up here.
Like a great companion, the Expedia app has your back throughout your journey because it matters who you travel with. Click to download today.
Okay. About to get stopped out at break even. So say we do retest this area and we close above it, right? Say we do retest all of this and close above it. What is expected is if we pass this candle's high, we continue all the way up to correct the full move, right? All the way up here. This is gonna be the watch out. And then above would be the take profit all the way up here. So like I said, if we do retest, fill this wick, break the wick, and with volume from NY session, continue heading up. But that can only happen if we pass the 61.8, because if we pass the 61.8, that means that the trend is invalid. I mean, yeah, the trend for a bearish trend, because overall we're pretty bearish, right? Overall, like we're about to make a lower high. So like I said, if we pass the 61.8, that's invalid, so that means an impulse above. I still have runners running. Oh shit, Joseph isn't even in the call anymore. Oops. Yeah, so create resistance. Most likely if you pass the support, you'll go all the way back down to recent support, which is over here. About to get stopped out at break even. Yeah, break even trade, it's fine. So cleaner buys above this area, so around 1785, 338. Caught about 10 pips, so 1-0 today. Still need about 2 more trades. Rejected 61.8. Getting news for GBP in about, oh, never mind, that was 7 a.m. also. So I think the next time we're going to be able to see a setup is, like I said, above this area, because that would mean that we are filling the top of the range. So impulse is above here. Yeah, for sure impulse is above here. That's what we're going to be waiting on. So now what you have is a newfound support. If you do close bearish over here above this range, I mean, if you do close bearish within this 30-minute candle above this area, you can expect price to shoot all the way above and fill the rest of the range. So there could be a chance that you can retake this trade. I'm not going to unless I hit 1786. So got a long way. Take profit is right over here at 1790.
You earn on your credit card at the end of your first year. It's amazing because Discover's accepted at 99% of places in the U.S. that take credit cards. Learn more at discover.com/yes. 2021 Nielsen Report. Limitations apply.
Yo, Joseph. Oh, wrong guy.
Hey, bro.
What's up?
That's good. You know what I said?
What's up?
Can you let my feed and EMA, SMA?
What?
I said I wanted to set my feed levels.
Your fib levels should already be default.
Yeah, it was on default before, but
if you change them, this is all you have to do. To go to settings and then apply defaults.
Yeah, I tried that. The settings of feed, right?
Yeah.
I didn't see the wait. Can you help me?
I'm gonna
show me?
target
Let me
this range
just-
right over here. So that's what we're gonna wait for. So at 1769, I'll have a sell stop. $17.61.
I'm not seeing anything, though. I'm not seeing anything. Can you bring it?
What's up?
I'm not seeing anything. Can you bring it up? I'm not seeing anything.
Show me your screen.
You can show me the screen. The screen, I think. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so with your fib levels, if you did mess them up, all you do is just go over here to apply defaults, and that's it. It's pretty simple.
I didn't see. I didn't understand. Please.
So fib levels, if you mess them up, you apply defaults, and they should go back to normal.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I got you, man. Just waiting right now. On Thursday, this trade already happened. You know, New York's about to open up. We got 10 pip trade on gold. So probably almost time to call it a day. You know, it's not really anything on the screen unless we pass through this level. Okay, passing through it. I have buy stops at mini wait for what does that mean? So about a minute left of this candle. I'm gonna take a second trade at 1768. Oh wait, not 1768. 86. 86, 81. Not sure how I want to approach this. I had buy stops above this area, so for a cleaner way all the way up to about right there. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna execute, matter of fact. 1787 seems about right. All this is a little bit too choppy. You have all this noise, you know what I mean? Could reject here. We're at the 61.8. You can reject here at any moment. So taking the safest possible route for me and you guys. So buys above 1787 to continue up to 1792. So that's about 56 pips. So like I said, taking a safer route, because at any point in time you can reject. About 15 more minutes for New York Open, and then hopefully New York Open passes the 61.8.
Listen to music personalized to you. YouTube Music Premium. Start a 1-month free trial.
So yeah, guys, this is the range we're targeting. We're hoping that New York brings us all the way back to that range. Buy stops are about to get hit. So, like I said, as long as we pass the 61.8, the trend is invalid. And then you're looking for a clean way all the way up. Let's see what we do. Not entering the trade, I'm just putting my position calculator. For when we do hit, I have my buy stops at 1787 even. Hoping that volume from New York session brings us all the way up. Yo, is my boy Dr. Dollar still in here? Pretty patient right now. buy stops were activated. But it didn't get activated during New York session, which has me a little bit worried that we can wick down. But I will be managing my risk during this trade. I'll let you guys know if I'm closing half or if I'm closing full, and then retake it during whatchamacallit, New York.
We've all got superstitions, which is why hockey fans grow playoff beards.
Yeah.
It's also why a handful of Geico agents used to grow savings beards, but those beards quickly grew out of control. Geico is still on a savings winning streak, but nowadays we mostly keep it clean shaven. Geico.
About 4 more minutes left. I have my hand on the close half and close full buttons just in case. Still looking good though. About 2 more minutes. I'm in profits right now, but just waiting on New York volume to come in. So there's about a minute and 30 seconds left until we figure out if we're closing or we're holding. We really need to see like a nice jump up. So about 30 seconds left until we figure out what's going on. So New York session should bring us all the way up. We just passed resistance, so right over here, past resistance, retesting resistance at the moment. Clear way up. We need this candle to stay above that line that I have. Right now it's just babbling. About a minute and 30 seconds left. Looks like we're gonna stay above. Once that happens, you guys should get in on the break of this candle. I had buy stops enabled, so I had to get in anyway, so you guys should get in at the break of the high on the next candle. About 30 seconds left. GJ cells were clean. Yeah, they were pretty clean, bro. You know, I called out all the levels correctly. Just was too late. You're gonna get in gold? Yeah, it's about there. Get in at the break. We might close back in range. In about 20 seconds, get in at the break of this high. Because right now it's just playing some fucking games with me.
What's going on? It's Leon Bridges. Check out my new song, Why Don't You Touch Me, on YouTube Music.
We didn't create support yet, which is unfortunate. Right here, we need to create support. About to hit 10 pips again. This is just a fucking... This is a fun candle, huh? Today's just a fun day. You know, nothing is really clean today. Like, nothing. About to create support in about 2 more minutes. If it comes back to my entry, I'm gonna close out positions and then I'm gonna retry once it breaks after we create support. Because remember, we are in a huge ass rejection area, so we need to be patient right here, and we need to be mindful of what's going on. About 30 seconds. Looks like we're gonna close above. I could wait. So I closed out my position. If we close above, I'll get back in the trade. But until then, I'm not. Yeah, it looks like we might have closed back into the range. Wait, no. We're still active for the 15. So, this 15 minute needs to create support. I'll enter on the 15 then. So we have a break-even trade, one winning trade, one break-even. I'm gonna get in at the support created right over here. But it needs to create. I don't want to fall back into the range and then regret my trade. Yeah, see, look at that. You really want to wait. Need to wait. Don't rush it. About 3 more minutes until we figure out if we're buying or not. Like, look at the accuracy, guys. Like, check out the accuracy. Like, come on. I can't make this up. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna create support above. If we do, then maybe it's not on the 15 minute, maybe it's on the 30. So, gotta wait for that. Long day today. Actually, very slow day today. Matter of fact, very fucking slow day today, guys. Oh. Yeah, we're looking good. Closed above 61.8, creating support at 61.8. Now I just wait for the break of the high. What up, bro? Gonna take a second chance at this trade. It's a long day, guys. Probably no trades are gonna happen until MIC, to be honest. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Yeah, that would make sense. You have a range from right here. Once we create support, that makes our range. So we'll see where we close. If we close below, I'm gonna go ahead and take a sell all the way back down to support, which is about 45 pips. Clean candles to the left. So I'm waiting on a closure. So I'm about to create support right now on the 5. Oh yeah. I mean, if again it just happens, then it happens. You know, it's not our fault. So if I miss this trade, then there's no more trades for the day, and should just call it a day. Unless it just wants to do a liquidity grab and then continue up. That's all up to this candle. Is it next candle that? Yeah, next candle we get a little bit of news or something.
What's going on? It's Leon Bridges. Check out my new song, Why Don't You Touch Me, on YouTube Music.
Oh shit. Damn. Can't get a grip. Alright, so that's all we're waiting on. Got some news. Some hard red file news. So about 2 more minutes till that pops up. If I get 10 pips during this news, I'm just gonna close out, because I'm not sure if it will clear the range or not. So if our buy stop does get activated, first target 1790, second target 1792. Watch out area just in case price wants to babble back and forth between it. Oh, next candle, I guess. Thought it was this candle. You know, this can be a trap to continue all the way back up. So I'm not acting on this for that reason, since there's news. So, yep, that's all we're doing is just waiting now. About 3 minutes. Slow day, man. Slow day. Got one win, one break even. So pretty unfortunate. You know, price action is telling me sells, but I've seen like millions of times where there was news and then it just shot all the way up. And you know what? I'm not gonna act on that. If my buy stop gets hit, then it gets hit. You know, everything that price action is telling me is pointing to sells all the way back down to support. But like I said, I don't want to act on that just because of the simple fact that news, red folder news, this could and can be a trap, you know, because before these 5 minutes, before the 10 minutes, we did create support above the 61.8. So at the end of the day, we can flip if needed from news. So that's why I'm not taking a sell, nor am I looking for a buy. If my buy stop gets hit, it gets hit. If not, I'm targeting range all the way down here. Targeting a clean move all the way down here. All of this. Targeting this whole thing. So, all of this is really, really choppy right now. And that's not what I want. $30 more seconds. Like I said, this can be a trap, and I'm not going to fall for it. I wonder what kind of news. Buy stop's gonna get hit. Once it does get hit, closing full at 10. But if it doesn't, it doesn't, you know. Not really. Yeah, news is coming. But it's at a super, super strong level of resistance. You know, it can flip to buys to trap a lot of the retail traders, but it also can stay at sells. And if it does flip to sells, I'll just turn off my computer and I'm done for the day. You know, I'm not gonna wait all the way up until NYSE today. Oh, that's some fucking shitty ass news. You did create support at the 61.8. Yeah, I don't think this move is gonna happen. So if you guys were waiting for a trade, just close out your computers and call it a day. No trade. Missed the trade on GJ, missed the trade on GA, and missed the trade for gold. I mean, I can wait all the way up until New York session, which I might do off stream. I mean, if you guys want to chill while I wait for New York session, then that's up to you. I mean, NYSE, not New York. NYSE, and that's up to you guys.
Why upgrade to YouTube Premium? It's ad-free, so you'll never have to stop your how-tos to skip an ad. It has background play, so whether you're working out to music or listening to a podcast, your sound won't stop playing if you lock your screen. And it has mobile downloads, so you can keep learning and getting better even when you don't have Wi-Fi or data. Upgrade to YouTube Premium. Try 1 month free and watch uninterrupted.
I'm waiting on NYSE. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Let me go ahead and mute my mic really quick. heading into pre NYSE. So yeah, that's all we're waiting on is NYSE. Cool. Looking good. Either buys above 1788 or 1782, sells all the way back down to support. You know, each range is about 50 pips. Yeah, both ranges are about 50 pips.
This vaccine will allow preservation of our culture, and I would really love that.
Yeah.
Get back to what you love. For more information on COVID-19 vaccines, go to youtube.com/vaccine info. Brought to you by YouTube and the Vaccine Confidence Project.
Dang. About 5 more minutes. Hmm? Yeah. Why?
Because he just pooped, so do you want me to just wait until you're done?
Or why you're gonna change him?
Yeah, but he's gonna be screaming.
I could mute my mic. it's looking pretty good for buys at the moment. So right now, I think what we are doing is we're setting up for the 30-minute candle for NYSE Open, because right now we're holding support above the 38.2, right? We were traced back to the 38.2. We passed the 61.8 area from a downtrend, so that means an invalid trade. We were traced all the way back to the 61.8, started making higher highs, higher lows. So this is going to be our higher low right now. Buys above for a full take profit at 1793. Buys above 1788. Right now, what I think we're doing is we're going to set up for the 15-minute candle. We're going to create support on the 15-minute candle. The next candle after this is going to go ahead and break for NYSE Open to continue going all the way up to the top of the range, and probably even farther. Hopefully this move happens today, not later. So yeah, we're setting up pretty nicely for volume on NYSE session. So I really need to get prepared for this. Yeah, so we're setting up pretty nicely for this move going up. About 25 seconds left. So you guys can't see this, but on the smaller time frames, on the 1 minute, we're retesting the highs and everything. GJ, no, we're not trading GJ. I'm sorry about that. There was already too big of a move. Now I'm not gonna trade retracements. So no moves on GJ at the moment. Sorry about that. NYSE open should push us all the way up. Might just be a retracement for this 15-minute candle. The next 15-minute candle should shoot way past where we're at, all the way up to 1793. Oh, I'm seeing something. So this right here is just a retracement. So if on so look, so what candles like to do is they like to set up during the opening times, right? So right now what I think it's doing is I think it's setting up. So the next candle after this candle is NYSE. So NYSE should push us all the way up to the 1793 area. Right now we're holding support above the 38.2. So if you can't tell, this is a retracement move. So the next candle, this candle should either break above here, then we retest on a 5-minute time frame, or this candle breaks above here, or we actually just probably form support above here, right, on the 15-minute candle, and then NYSE should push us all the way up. So that's what I'm waiting for, and that's what I see. And it's gonna be a clean move. We've already retraced all the way down to the 61.8 for an uptrend. So yeah, now all we're waiting is to go back to the top of the range. Okay. Yeah, I'll let you know if the trade is valid or not. Bad Bicos, were you here to see us miss the 50 pip GJ drop and the 50 pip GA drop? Nah, I'm not touching GJ today, nor tomorrow. I'm not touching it today. I'm not touching it tomorrow. Bro. So look, this is what we called. So this is the ranges I set out. I said in the before you were here, I was like, oh yeah, in these type of ranges, price loves to just shoot down and wick. Boom, shot down all the way over there, wicked it. Filled this clean range, created resistance at the top. That's what I was saying, how it created resistance, a strong resistance, as you can tell, to continue going down. GA, I had my price point 61.8 marked out, and then I had my watch out area at the support over here, plus I had a full TP1 at the wick, at the bottom of the wick. And look at that, bro. I'm telling you, the accuracy is fucking insane with me. So the reason why I missed this trade is because on my magic keys, I hit open trade and then I forgot to flip it to sells. So I ended up taking a buy and I closed it out as fast as I could. And yeah, that was like so insane though, how I called that out. Literally, look, 70 pip move, bro. 70 pip move. I missed it. It's insane. So like I said, in about 8 minutes, NYSE should bring us all the way up. If not, I'm gonna place sell stops over here to clear this range. Oh yeah, look at this. As long as we close bullish for NYSE, we should hit all the way up. Oh yeah, we should hop all the way, and it's gonna be an impulsive move because of the fact that this is already a retracement. So as long as we pass this area we should be good. All we gotta do for the 15-minute candle is stay above here with, I'm pretty sure we should be able to stay up here with a bearish candle and still continue going up. So about 4 more minutes till NYSE open. Yeah, on the lower time frames we're retesting. So get ready for your buy button. Once we pass 1788, it's a clean shot all the way up. It's either gonna happen at 6:30 or it's gonna happen at 7. So just in general, be prepared. If it happens at 7, then fucking shit, dude. Not like, my God. But it's gonna happen either way. It's setting up nicely. As long as we don't drop below 1782, then it's setting up really, really nicely. Let me find out there's no volume today, bro. NYC just opened. Alright, so there's no wick at the top. Might retest the 13 to continue. Dude, don't tell me that this is gonna have to happen at 7. Okay. I have my buy stop literally right here at 1788.23. $24 and then 50. Just waiting for it to not in the trade yet. Just waiting. We already broke the high, the previous candle. Yeah, this move might happen at 7. If we close bullish, then yeah, the move is valid. So this might have to happen at 7. But it's happening, so that's all that counts. The only way that it makes it invalid is if we break the support that we created. Once we close bullish, that means that the next candle after that should go. Why would you buy gold with no confirmations? Well, try to buy again. You know, you bought gold with no confirmations. Buy in drawdown. That's what I would do. We might retest the 13 EMA. You know, you could buy at the 13. But yeah, there's no confirmations for you to just buy. But yeah, buy and drawdown. You know, I think that we're gonna pass 1788. And bro, bad Bicos, you gotta, next time you win for me, bro, you gotta shout me out so I could post you. Yeah, it's gonna have to happen at 7. It's insane. yeah, I guess play it out more for sells. Alright, stream is over. Not trading that.